What you see?
First up, for this messy clown makeup, I'm using SFX White Base by Revolution Pro. You can use any white foundation or cream product that you have and just blend that all into the face with a sponge or a brush. I'm then going to cover the brows in Kat Von D Beauty's Super Brow in Whiteout and set the foundation with Ben Nye Colourless Luxury Powder. Now I'm reaching for my Sugarpill Pro palette, but you can use any colourful eyeshadows. I'm just building these colours up around each other, not worrying too much about the final outcome, but just watching this character come to life on my face. Forget all notions of neatness and perfection, just play and have fun with it. If you feel like using different colours or techniques to me, I urge you to do so and create your own inner clown. Now I'm blobbing on mascara to create messy, deconstructed cross shapes around my eyes. This makeup is all about building up textures so it looks worn and creepy while still being vibrant. I'm now patting black eyeshadow on top and creating definition with Epic Ink Liner from NYX. We're basically using the same techniques on the nose and mouth as we did on the eyes. Just keep building that texture up. Don't be afraid to add more black for definition. Now we're going to contour the cheekbones just a little bit and then using a white pencil, highlight and line the waterline. Now we're going to apply 2 pairs of false lashes to add more dimension to this look. Any will do as long as they're nice and dramatic. I'm also going to create a few more lash lines with eyeliner and highlight using Melt Cosmetics blush lights in Shadowplay, Electra and Ghostlight. I'm also adding a little blush in the shade Bawdy. To finish off this look, I'm using Infinity Glass by Linda Holberg Cosmetics to create glossy lips, eyes and tears. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos from me here on YouTube. Beyond was God.